In the previous episodes, we have learned that behind the physical world, there is the spiritual world. The spiritual world is the cause of the material world or the physical world. But we cannot perceive the spiritual world through our normal senses. To perceive the spiritual world or the subtle plane, we need to have suprasensory perception. In other words, we have to elevate our consciousness to an extent where and when we can perceive things which exist beyond the physical world, which means we need to make our sense organs super sensitive so that they can perceive which exist outside the physical world. We need to raise our consciousness so that we can transcend all the physical barriers that we have. But before we talk about how we can transcend the physical limitations, the physical barriers, let's understand our physical body first. Our body is a mini universe. Our physical body has 7 planes or bhumis. They're also called chakras. We have 7 chakras. Out of the 7 chakras, 6 chakras are inside our body. The 7th one is outside our physical body. The 7 chakras are 7 planes or 7 layers of consciousness. So before our consciousness moves beyond our physical body, it has to rise through these 6 layers or chakras in our body itself. In other words, our consciousness has to transcend the 6 planes in our body before entering into the subtle plane. These 6 planes or chakras are Muladhara, which is at the base of our spine. This represents the earth. The next chakra is Swadhisthana, which is in our lower abdomen area below the pubic bone. This is called Swadhisthana. This represents water. The next chakra is called Manipura, which is near our navel along the spine. This represents fire. The next chakra is called Anahata, which represents air. This is close to our chest. The next chakra is
Vishuddhi.
in our throat. This represents space. And the highest chakra in the physical body is the 6th one, which is called Agya Chakra, which is at the root of our nose and right at the middle between our eyebrows. So this point is called Agya Chakra. The Agya Chakra represents all the 5 elements. This is the center of wisdom. This is also called Trinayan, the third eye. Right behind the Agya Chakra is the pineal gland. Pineal gland is a very unique part in our brain. In our brain, almost all parts are in pairs, but pineal gland is the only part in the brain which is unique. It doesn't have a pairing of its own. It's unique. It's at the center of our brain. Sri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra describes the pineal gland as the pinnacle of supreme knowledge. The Agya Chakra and the pineal gland are the centers of wisdom, centers of intellect, center of ideas, thoughts, center of knowledge. Sri Sri Thakur reminds us that when we are in deep thought, our hand automatically goes here. When we are in deep thought, we tap our finger on our Agya Chakra like this, because this is a center of deep thinking, deep meditation. When our consciousness rises from one plane to another, or from one chakra to another, from the base chakra to upper chakras along the spine, we actually master the corresponding elements. We master the essence of elements that are represented by the chakras. At Muladhara, we master the essence of the earth, the characteristics, the nuances of the earth revealed before us when we mastered that chakra. When the consciousness moves to Swadhisthana, we master the essence of water. And when we go to Manipura, we master the essence of fire. Then as we move to Anahata, we master the essence of air. Then we master the essence of space. So as we elevate our consciousness, we master different elements of the physical world. That's how we uplift our consciousness from one plane to another plane. Right at the top is Agya Chakra, which is the highest chakra in the physical body, which represents all elements, and it also represents wisdom. So during meditation, we need to focus on the Agya Chakra and the pineal gland. When we focus on the Agya Chakra, all other chakras open up one after the other. This is called awakening of the chakras. This is also called awakening Kundalini. Kundalini is our powerhouse of energy, and we unravel, unlock the infinite energy that lies within us, the life energy, the vital energy which is lying inherent within us, that gets activated. That's when we transcend our physical and mental limitations. The pineal gland is filled with a liquid called melatonin. When we focus and concentrate on the pineal gland and chant the holy name, it creates a vibration inside the pineal gland and also at the base of the brain, and secretion of melatonin takes place. Melatonin is a very powerful hormone which is responsible for improving our longevity, our memory, our youthfulness, and so on. In normal human beings, melatonin secretion stops after the age of 40. People who follow spiritual sadhana under the guidance of a true guide and practice meditation using the holy name can experience the melatonin secretion even after the age of 40. This secretion happens only in the night. When the sun rises, this secretion stops. This is the beauty of nature, beauty of God's creation. That's why the best time to meditate is the time before the sunrise and evening after the sunset. My dear friends, the holy name and meditation can unravel the mysteries of this universe, can take us beyond our physical and mental limitations, can unleash the infinite energy lying within us. We shall continue our dialogue on this topic in our next few episodes. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.